Question 3. All right, let's see here. A hypothesis test was used to see if less than 5% of all Americans would still drive to work if gas prices went above $10 a gallon. Wow, that'd be expensive. The p-value for this test was 0.03. We can conclude that only 3% of all Americans would still drive to work if gas prices went above $5. Well, I think they mean to say $10 here. That was kind of weird they did that. That was an accident, I think. But anyway, is that what it means? Is the p-value 0.03? That means 3% of Americans. Is that right? This is the kind of thing where you're afraid to answer. I don't want to answer. I'm not going to say. I don't know. These are tricky.
Yeah.
True.
So what's a p-value? What is a p-value? Remember? Let's go back up here. Look at the notes. It's written out on the notes for you. It's right up here. It's right in the exam 3 notes, right at the part E. The p-value is the percentage chance that H0 is really true and that the results in the study are just due to random luck. Right? Let's write that down here. So that's on your notes. You don't have to guess, but you have to find it and understand it. It's the percentage chance. So in this case, 3%, right? P-value is 0.03. 3% chance HO is really true. HO is really true. And results are due to luck. So is that the same thing as 3% of all Americans? No, not at all. That's just completely different. P-value is the chance of luck, not the percentage of people that do anything. It's totally different. Does that make sense? So they're testing if you really know what a p-value is. And this is probably more important than a lot of what we do, because real life, you're probably not going to actually do any of these studies on your own. You might, maybe 1 or 2 of you might get a job in economics or business or psychology where you do an actual hypothesis test on your own. But most of you will not, but you will read studies. For almost all of you will read studies in a professional job in which, or just at home when you watch the news and stuff, or read online, and that people will tell you p-value results. And to be a wise consumer of information is to know what a p-value is. What's a p-value? The percentage chance that the results were just due to luck. It's not the percentage of Americans who would drive to work. It's not the percentage of any people. It's the percentage chance of luck. That's what a p-value is.